Right, in this video we're going to look at some arrangements and what we mean by how to find possible arrangements and the idea of the notation of factorials. So it says here, Zara has 4 table tennis balls painted red, orange, yellow and green. Find the total possible arrangements. Okay, let's consider this problem by filling 4 empty spaces. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces there. And here we got our 4 balls. Right, pause the video and consider the number of ways you can fill that space. And then once that space is filled, how many ways you can fill that space, and that space, and that space, and so on. Okay, the first space, say we put the red ball there, there are 4 different, or say there are 4 different balls. There are 4 different ways that we can place the balls. We can either put a red one, an orange, or yellow, or a green. So there's 4 possibilities. Let's say we put the red, then there are only now 3 ways of putting that one, because we only now have left orange, yellow and green. And then 2 ways of that one, because we now only have yellow and green. And there's only 1 way, if we only have the green left, to fill that last box. So the number of arrangements is going to be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which gives me, this is written as 4 factorial. Now 4 factorial means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. It's pronounced 4 factorial. There's a button on your calculator for that, and that will give you 24 ways. But 4 factorial means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 3 factorial will be 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, if we write these out, so all the ones with red at the beginning are those 6. All the ways with orange on are those 6. All those with yellow at the beginning are going to be these 6. And all the ones with green at the beginning are going to be those 6. So we can see we have 24 different ways of arranging those. It's a little bit laborious if we have to write them out each time. So the number of arrangements of n unlike objects is going to be n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times 3 times 2 times 1, which we call n factorial. For example, n would be 4 in my example. It would be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so this has been a video to introduce you to the idea of arranging n unlike objects. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.